Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners on Bob Icino. So just a quick update, this wasn't the pausing bar when the last time I recorded it, had to update it to this. This was the pausing bar, because you see the next bar below it doesn't exceed it. So we get a pause in the price action. So that updated the levels, still holding the rotation zone. This was a mini double top, but it was against the rotation zone, so we really need to close against the rotation zone to trigger it. Rotation zone right now coming in about 9,600. So close below 9,600. Start watching for a bigger pullback. Right down to this little prior resistance becoming support shelf about 9,300. I'll be watching with the rising 50 out, definitely out of overbought condition. Let's jump to the daily chart. So you also have the rising rotation zone on the daily chart, 9,300. So that's a very key level to watch for. Still an overbought on the daily chart. Remember, you can work off overbought by either drifting sideways when the rotation zone catch up and letting price action drop out of the overbought condition, or you pull back. Right now, we're sort of drifting sideways, but if we do watch for that close on the 4-hour chart, then I'll start watching for the pullback if that does trigger. Updating the levels with that pausing bar above 10,079, so essentially 10,100. We're watched for 10,531, 10,500. Then major area about 10,900 to 11,000. That's the next sort of wider cluster up there. If we did pull back to 9,300 and drop below that, next area I'd be watching is right around 8,971 to 9,000, and then below that, major pullback would be 8,600. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum just drifting sideways. Remember, we broke out of this lower consolidation area. Nice little teaching lesson here. Break above there, so this is prior resistance. You know, watching the candle bodies. Now look, if you come over here, support. Now if we get a close, especially below about 208.50, I'll start watching for a potential pullback to about 203. Get a close, the key level still we're watching for is 218. Close above 218, I'll watch for 223 area, and then the 227.50. Nothing's really changed on Ethereum. Going to the daily chart, you see here still holding the rotation zone, so dipping in the rotation zone, rotating up, and now holding the 8. If we do get a close back below the 8, major support coming in again about 200, 199 to 200. So that's the key area you'll be watching for if we do close below the rotation zone again. Other than that, nothing else has changed. And we'll have another update for you probably tomorrow, Sunday afternoon, to see if we get any breakouts or breakdowns. Talk to everyone later. Remember, Bitcoin halving day, I still think it's the 11th. No, I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow, so I'll check in with that later. But know that Bitcoin is halving again, not in price, but the mining stuff. So we'll see how that affects it. Just keep that in the back of your mind. I'm still going to just trade it purely off the technicals. Until then, I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.